Just tell yourself it's not the last pack. we're gonna have a good time and everything's gonna be great, right, Tommy?
Rip it.
Where are we? What the hell is going on? The dust has only just begun to fall. Crop circles in the carpet, sinking.
You're crazy.
Tell them what happened.
The cops came at us, and they were not happy with Toronto FPV. Tell us what happened. Show us what happened.
They said, like, someone could see that and swerve, but whose fault would that be? You're actually not allowed to, like, follow cops, but their alarms went on or whatever. If you give them trouble, they could have taken it, but it's like they couldn't have actually, like, kept it. They could have given me a ticket for parking here. That's what they could have done. No, they were nice. We were nice. They said, oh, sorry, I'll put my toy away. And they're like, okay. They see me roll. They hate it. Like, they were like, okay, I'm gonna play, like, serious Mr. Cop, because, like, I don't want him to keep doing this. But, like, on the inside, they were like, oh, man, that was cool, man. Did you see the guy with his drone?
They wanted to arrest you.
No, they didn't. They were like, man, if only that could be us. If only I had a friend like Tommy.
I wish.
Instead of this guy that gets paid to hang out with me. Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? I'm being awesome, dude.
Feeling, spin me round again and rub my eyes. This can't be happening when busy streets a mess with people would stop to hold their heads heavy. That is all. That is all. What did she say? What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, because you did. What you say? That is all for the best, because it is. What you say? That is just what we need. It's not in this. What you say? What did she say? I see trains and sewing machines. All those years, they were here first. Oily marks appear on walls where pleasure moments hung before the takeover, the sweeping insensitivity of this still life. Hide and seek, trains and sewing machine. Catch me around here. They were here first. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, because you did. What you say? That it's all for the best. What you say? Just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Ransom notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are calling. Speak no, feeling no. I don't believe you. You don't care a bit. You don't care a bit. Ransom notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are calling. Speak no, feeling no. You don't care a bit. You don't care. You don't care. You don't care a bit. 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 You don't care a bit.
You can't do that, sir. It's just a toy. It's just a toy, sir. It's like, I was just I wasn't on the street, sir. I was in the sky. I wasn't I wasn't. It's like if someone turns and drives off the road, well, like that just means they're a bad driver. Think of how much harder it is for me.
Filmed that.
Think of how much harder it is for me to control myself flying in the air, and these people can't like just not drive off the street. I love making videos like these without using copyright-free music. It means though that I'm not able to make any. YouTube barely pays me anything anyways. I love making this kind of content, and if you really enjoy it, consider becoming a Patreon or a member on the channel. A little bit goes a long way. You join for as little as a couple bucks, especially if you enjoy this stuff, support it, and want more of it to happen. Whenever Tommy and I get together, it's a pretty fun time. Check out this video or check out FPV Stories. It's kind of like more high effort, lots of editing. I'm pretty sure you'll like that. Thanks for obliterating the like button.